Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are bringing you another quick and flavorful recipe, Sudanese Eggplant Salad. It's simple, vibrant and full of bright, tangy flavors. So without any delay, let's get started. First, heat some oil in a pan and fry 500 grams of diced eggplant until it's golden and soft. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. Once it's done, place it on the kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. Now in a separate pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 sliced green chilies, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, give it a quick fry for about a minute until the raw smell disappears. Next, add 3 tablespoons of yogurt and mix everything really well. After that, add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well until the sauce comes together smoothly. Now add the fried eggplant back into the pot and gently mix so it's fully coated in the sauce. Then season with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Finish it off with a handful of chopped parsley on top. Give it one final mix. And that's it. Your delicious Sudanese eggplant salad is ready to be served. Enjoy every bite, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.